Hey guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of car lighting with the incredible 3.0 Biled lenses in Headlight's Hella G53R Biled Projector car headlight projector kit. This kit is an absolute game changer for car enthusiasts and anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting. Featuring 160 W of power and a color temperature of 6000 K, these LED lenses are designed to provide unmatched brightness and clarity. Not only that, but they also come with a waterproof rating of IP68, ensuring that they can withstand any weather conditions. The kit is also incredibly versatile, with a universal fit for installation and modification. Whether you are looking to upgrade your existing Hella 3R G5 lens or you have a car with a projector lens that needs some modification, these lenses are perfect for you. But that's not all, we also have the LED fiber optic whip dance pixel space whips, which are perfect for adding a touch of excitement and color to any dance party, music festival, or light show. With 40 different display modes and the 360-degree rotation, these space whips are guaranteed to steal the show wherever you go. And let's not forget about the D2's D4's LED car headlights and the car LED fog lamp that we have in store. With their high power output, long lifespan, and easy installation, these headlights and fog lamps are essential upgrades for any car enthusiast. So, if you're ready to take your car lighting game to the next level, head to the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing products. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy driving.